At dapat hindi taga-unit ninyo ang gagawa. Dapat from outside, independent. And then binabantay niyo pag-ihi niya. Nasusunod ba yung ganung procedure, Colonel?
Yes, sir. For the information of everyone, meron pong procedures ang forensic group, yung crime laboratory dati, to conduct drug testing annually. So tama sir yung sabi ni RD, 100% po ang aming drug testing. As a matter of fact, sir, our regional director, Police Brigadier General Kenneth Lucas, also conducted
Okay, nandun na po ako, sir, annually. Ang suggestion ko, dapat
yes, sir.
pag sa Drug Enforcement Unit, quarterly and properly supervised. Can we ask the NAPOLCOM people who are present to make it mandatory at random? Wag po yung... Kasi alam ko naman na sinasabihan sila, oy, magkakaroon ng drug test mamaya. Natural, si police mag-absent. Hindi siya magda-drugs. Two days siya maglilib. After 2 days, clear na yung ihi niya. Or kuminsan, gagamitin niya yung ihi ng kanyang kasamahan. Urine, di ba? Urine lang yan.
Yung paggamit ng ibang ihi, malabo mangyari yan ngayon dahil yung meron talaga nagbantayan doon sa
Okay.
CR habang umiihi sila.
Okay.
Di binabantayan talaga yun ng
And may I suggest, Mr. Chair, kasi yung sa shabu, huwag ka lang gumamit ng ilang araw, burado na yung, clean na yung ihi mo. Why don't we use hair follicle test? Can we do that? Kasi pag hair follicle, alam ko, Mr. Chair, buwan months, matitration.
Ano bang pinaka-technology na alam nyo sa crime lab na mas mabigat pa kaysa mas accurate kaysa
Sir, currently, we are doing the drug testing using the urine because of the mass number of personnel that to be conducted. But we will further look for that.
So what's available sa crime lab aside sa anong available test ninyo for
for a while,
drug test? Oh.
for a while, sir.
Ah.
May I talk with the chemist?
Mga hari-hari nyo sa crime lab dyan.
Chair,
Yes.
hindi nyo narinig yung hair follicle test? Ignorante po kayo doon sa technology na yan? Hair
Sir,
follicle test?
Sir,
Have you heard of
actually,
it,
sir, may I ask my chemist
Oh, come
here?
on. Forensic po kayo, sir. Hindi nyo alam. Have you heard of hair follicle test?
Yes, sir, we have, sir.
Okay. Kaya nga, kung narinig nyo yan, wala ba kayong ganong technology sa PNP na hair follicle ang itetest nyo, especially sa mga operatibo natin na nag-handle ng mga sensitive positions tulad nitong Drug Enforcement Unit?